Day 4 of the sourdough starter tutorial. To get started, we are going to discard about 1/2 to 3/4 of our starter, leaving about 1 to 2 tablespoons in our jar. We will now turn on the scale and set the tare to 0. We will now add 50 grams of room temperature water to the jar. Mix to combine. Set the tare back to 0 and add 25 grams of white flour and 25 grams of whole wheat flour. With your tool of choice, mix your flour, water, and starter together until fully incorporated. This is what it should look like. Place your lid on top. Leave for 24 hours.